Forest Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, west central Galveston County in southeastern Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southeastern Pearland, League City, Texas City, Friendswood, Alvin, Dickinson, La Marque, Santa Fe, Webster, Hitchcock, Southern Magville, Iowa Colony, Hillcrest, Liverpool and Chocolate Vale. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.